Welcome back to ASM Motor Group. Today, 7 road rules that most British drivers get wrong, and what each one actually costs you. The 20p test that could save your MOT. Tyre tread must be at least 1.6 mm deep across the central 3/4 of the tyre, all the way round. DVSA names tread depth as one of the most common individual MOT fail items in the country. 1.6 mm is lower than most drivers assume, and it's graded a dangerous defect, not just an advisory, meaning the car shouldn't be driven at all until it's fixed. Many drivers also don't realise that tyres of different sizes or construction on the same axle fail the test automatically, even with plenty of tread on both. Get it wrong, and it's driving on an illegal tyre risks a fine of up to £2,500 and 3 penalty points per tyre. A single replacement tyre typically costs roughly £50 - £150, fitted for budget to mid-range sizes. Typical range, not a quote. Your wipers are one of DVSA's top 3 MOT fails. DVSA names faulty wipers and washers as one of the 3 single most common MOT fail items in the country. Wipers must clear the screen properly, and washers must provide enough fluid to let them do it. It's one of the cheapest, most avoidable fails there is. An empty washer bottle, or a perished wiper blade that now smears instead of clears, is often only spotted on test day itself, when it's too late to fix in time. Get it wrong, and it's a pair of wiper blades typically costs roughly £10 - £40 plus a small fitting charge. One of the cheapest ways to avoid an MOT fail on this whole list. Typical range, not a quote. Nearly 1 in 5 MOT fails is your suspension. Suspension is consistently the second most common reason cars fail their MOT. Mainly worn shock absorbers, springs and joints. There's rarely a warning light for tired suspension. Drivers usually only notice a knock or a slightly bouncier ride, by which point a shock absorber may already have lost most of its damping effect, which is exactly what DVSA's test measures. DVSA figures put suspension faults at close to a fifth of all MOT failures. Get it wrong, and it's a pair of shock absorbers typically costs around £120 - £300 in parts, plus £80 - £150 labour. Roughly £200 - £500 fitted per axle. More on premium or larger cars. Typical range, not a quote. The hidden rust rule that fails MOT/s. DVSA specifically checks for corrosion within 30 cm of key mounting points like suspension, steering, and seatbelt anchorages, and rust that weakens the structure there is a fail. With severe cases graded dangerous. Drivers often assume a rust patch is just cosmetic, but testers are trained to check specific structural zones, especially underneath the car. Not just what's visible in the paintwork. Corrosion can be serious even on a car that otherwise looks well cared for, particularly around the sills and subframe. Get it wrong, and its costs vary hugely with the damage. Small sill patch repairs typically start around £80 - £150, while more extensive structural or subframe corrosion repair can run £300 - £1,500 plus. Typical range, not a quote. The windscreen chip size that fails your MOT. A windscreen crack or chip bigger than 10 mm anywhere in the driver's direct line of sight fails the MOT. Outright, the same size damage is allowed up to 40 mm anywhere else in the area the wipers sweep. Most drivers judge a chip by whether it gets in the way, but DVSA's rule is a precise measurement inside a defined zone centered on the steering wheel. A small legal chip can also spread into an illegal crack over time, especially in cold weather. So it's rarely worth ignoring even when it currently passes. Get it wrong, and it's a single stone chip repair typically costs around £40 - £70. Your handbrake could be failing your MOT. Brakes are the third most common MOT failure category, and DVSA requires the handbrake alone to hold at least 16% braking efficiency or the car fails automatically. Drivers often judge the handbrake by whether it holds the car on a hill, but DVSA measures precise braking force on a rolling road tester. A stretched cable or worn mechanism can drop well below the legal minimum with no obvious symptoms. Brakes and tyres together account for around 88% of the most serious, dangerous fails DVSA records, even though brakes alone aren't the single biggest overall category. Get it wrong, and its front brake pads typically run £100 - £200 fitted. The number 1 reason UK cars fail their MOT. Lights are the single biggest cause of MOT failure in Britain. DVSA names a wrongly aimed headlamp as the most common individual fail item on the whole test. A headlamp bulb can light up perfectly and still fail the test, because DVSA checks the aim, not just whether it switches on. Fitting a new bulb or headlamp unit can knock the aim off without the driver ever noticing. Lighting problems, mostly aim and blown bulbs, make up roughly a quarter of all MOT fails in DVSA's own data. Get it wrong, and it's typically £15–100, fitted for a replacement bulb, depending on the car and bulb type. That's today's rules. ASM Motor Group, MOT, servicing and repairs, and we can come to you. Find us at asmmotorgroup.co.uk.